In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage HR documents in Confluence. Let's set this up the right way so your HR information is easy to find, consistent, and locked down. Start by creating a dedicated space just for HR. In Confluence, go to Spaces, then create space. Give it a clear name like HR or People Operations, and add a short description such as confidential HR documents. Keeping HR content in its own space separates it from general company material and makes permissions simpler to manage. Next, organize the space with a clear, predictable page structure. Create top-level pages for the major categories your team uses, like employee contracts, policies and handbooks, payroll and benefits, performance reviews, and onboarding and offboarding. Under each of these, add child pages for specific topics or individual documents. This structure helps everyone navigate quickly and reduces time spent searching. Use concise, consistent page titles so people know exactly what they're opening without guessing, and avoid putting personal details in titles. If you're brand new to this tool, you'll find a link to the Confluence website at the top of the description so you can follow along. When it's time to add files, upload documents securely by attaching them directly to the most relevant page. Keep each document in one place to create a single source of truth. No scattered duplicates. A short summary at the top of the page can explain what the file contains and who it's for, which saves people from downloading the wrong thing. For highly confidential content, restrict access at the page level. Click Share, set it to Restricted, and allow only specific people to view or edit. This adds an extra layer of protection on top of your space permissions and ensures sensitive items, like compensation changes or investigation notes, are visible only to those who truly need them. Always take a moment to confirm who has access before you save. To maintain accountability, use page history. This lets you see who edited a page, what changed, and when it changed. That audit trail is essential for compliance, especially with policies, contracts, and anything that affects employees' rights or pay. Finally, review access regularly. Make it a quarterly habit to check who can see what, remove access for former employees, and update permissions when roles change. This simple rhythm prevents unauthorized access over time and keeps your HR space trustworthy. That's it. Your HR documents are organized, secure, and easy to manage in Confluence. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the link in the description. And thanks for watching.